Demon Dragons, Elise, Murloc, Quilbo. Wow, what a brand lobby. Only pirates are missing. Anyway. So Mechano, Nosdormo, or Eudora. Let's do Eudora, that sounds like fun. Actually, this is pretty good. Guanco spell would be nice. That's... Well, we can work with it. Alright, let's see. What do we get here? Ralia? That's actually pretty good. Crasher, Malkazar. Definitely not Stalker. It's probably Malkazar here. We even get this. The gold is nice, but we need to dig distance, so actually this is great. Next turn I'm leveling, digging, the Robo's evolution might actually work. Of course, that completely depends on the target. At the start of your each turn, gain 2 gold and take 2 damage if possible. So we are essentially at 12 gold. We get... or we can get book. I don't care about this. It might not be so bad here, but I don't want to risk not playing demons. It's probably just book. I could go for ornate clock, but I think the book works for me. Time management, sure. I want to dig, but damn. Well, I guess. Next turn, I definitely need to level. Probably play time management and overconfidence. Or we can do it this turn. It's just one minion, right? I mean, struggle is always nice. I could grab money here. Or simply not care and just go for something. These kinda suck. Just the pair, I suppose. Alright. Telescope is fine. I'm definitely leveling here. I'll check this, Pikita. Star management could work. Uh, the Evoker works as well. I guess we are dragons. Let's see if we triple here. We don't. Money's fine. The question is, do I go for the Amber in number 2 or... the promo drag doesn't do that much, does it? What a snipe. Well, can beat a sharpshooter like that. Dragon's Nest. 2 dragons each turn, or simply a Bran. It's Bran, right? It's always a Bran here. This could give us the dragons we need, or we can simply level. Screw it. That's fine. Come on. Conjurer is still alright, I think. Maybe. Galek, thank you. This doesn't work now, does it? We just grab whatever gold we can here. shame, but I was truly overconfident. $15. Damn. That's nice. Ooh, pure skill, no like at all. Here we go again. It's a decent pair. Let's see. I can't keep this any longer, can I? That's way too expensive. I guess we just have to hope this is enough. So, this way, this way. That was honestly closer than I expected. Cryful, Golden Touch is fine. This triple is important actually. Nadina, we can end on that. Come on, where's the money? I know it's not that common these days, but still. Here's the money. A town for the Nadina would be nice, but I can get to it, so I guess I just kick these and continue. Money, why not? Armor, that's what I was hoping for. That was some clutch armor. Hello? Don't tell me we crashed. Oh, come on. Really? Now, this is prime Blizzard experience. I probably shouldn't have played the APM build when this issue has been around on Reddit for all day. Not that my APM builds are usually good. Hello. Thank you. Oh, I've got some time left. Alright, any battle cries then? Almost any battle cries. No. Screw this. Oh, it's this guy. Yeah. Actually, we are not losing. Probably. Alright. I don't care at this point. Let's just go with money. Do I go for the dragons here? I mean, it's not the best, but it could have been much worse. Let's see. This is fine. Nadina, gold. I could get rid of these two. Tripling him doesn't serve that much, but on the other hand, it's a ghost, so I guess we can wait. But even shielding these two straight away might be helpful. That's great. Alright. Pure skill, no lag at all. Come on. I know there's not that much money in the game anymore with the battle cries, but still. I mean, these kinda suck. No, 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 no. Hello? Blizzard? No. Oh my god. We are probably not winning, but I would like to reposition at least. Damn. Today is absolutely unbelievable. No, not this positioning. Come on. We won't even see the fight, right? It's not happening. I mean, it's the demon guy, so we are losing, but still. Let's see. At least we will see if we tied for some unexpected reason or something. Small indie company. But I mean, this is way too much. Yeah, so I guess we are not seeing anything. And I'm probably not doing anything today anymore. So yeah, that's GG's, guys. Blizzard, please fix your game. I mean, you've got the money. Our money. GG's, guys. GG's.